Hey traders, welcome back. This is the October update for the asymmetric trading system. Once again, another month has come and gone, and I'm looking at all of our results. I can't believe that it has been almost a year since we have started this program. And what an amazing experience it's been, and just some absolutely amazing results that we've gotten. I'm so thrilled with the program. And this month, once again, kind of comes through and delivers for us. We started the month of October. Well, our September 30th balance was 44,273. We had a very strong first day. Went from 44,273 to almost $45,000. You can see there. And then we had a couple losers, a couple winners, couple losers. Winner loser went on a little nice run there of a couple of wins. Let's back out of the spreadsheet so that we can see them all. Went on a nice run there on the 14th, 15th, 18th, and 19th. Had a little bit of a give back there on the 20th. On the 21st, we had a winner. The 22nd, we had a winner. And then we gave a little bit back. This was probably our first, I would say decent sized drawdown of the month, about $600 or so. Had a loser, but we got that right back the very next day. And then we did have our biggest drawdown of the month, just over $1,000, almost an $1,100 drawdown here on the 27th. And then the 28th, you can see we went from 40 on the 27th, 44,623 to 46,485. So we bounced right back the very next day. And the last day of trading for the month, the 29th, 46,718. So 46,717 is where we finished on the month. It doesn't always work out this way, but it's been very, very close the last several months. Actually finished the month of October at my all-time high for the month and my all-time high for the portfolio. So clearly no guarantees that we're just going to go straight up every single month, month after month after month, but it's pretty nice to be at your all-time high valuation in whatever current month we're in, and then to finish that month at the all-time high of your all-time highs. And that's exactly where I finished the month out at, was my absolute all-time high for the month. We can see how the market itself did over the month. The market did not do well last month, and we were able to capitalize on that. But because of that big drawdown that we had in September, the market just absolutely came roaring back here in October, up a monster 6.91% in the month. Guys, I'm going to tell you right now, with our dual fold mandate of the program, where we are not only trying to beat the overall market returns, but we're trying to do it with less risk, it's going to be really, really tough, if not impossible, to beat a market that is going up almost 7% a month. Those are crazy, crazy good numbers. But we did fairly well, all things being considered. I had about a $2,445 gain on my account for the month. That puts my overall value, ending value at the end of the month, for 44,273, as I mentioned. On my starting capital of 44,273, that gives me a $2,445 gain. I finished the month at 46,718, 5.5% gain in the month. We did incur negative alpha, meaning we did not beat the overall market's return, because we had a 5.5% return for the month versus the market's 6.91% return for the month. We had 13 profitable days in the month and 8 losing days versus the market's 6 losing days. However, and here is our major, major victory for the month, we were still able to accomplish all of this at 68% less risk or volatility than the overall market. The market had some pretty big swings in the month of October, and we had 2 days essentially in the entire month where we really had any volatility at all in our overall results. And so going back to January of this year, 2021, all the way through October of this year, you can see that the October returns are posted there. And we are, for all intents and purposes, exactly double the market's return. We're about up 44%, 44.3% to be exact, on the year, with the market being up 22.07%. And we've been averaging about 55 to 60% less volatility. So pretty nice numbers if you want to clickbait the title. Double the market returns at half the market risk. That's essentially what we have experienced so far this year. We've got a couple more months, obviously, to go in the year, but so far, so good. I just cannot be any more pleased with how our portfolio is performing. And to think that it is a program or a investing approach where it literally takes 2 to 4 minutes every morning to put these trade ideas together. You close your laptop or your computer, you walk away, it manages itself. There's rarely a day or an occasion where we have to even open our portfolios and look at them during the day. It's just been a wonderful, wonderful experience. So there you go, folks. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to call it a home run in our results for October, even though we didn't beat out the market returns, because A, we're still double what the market has done year to date. B, we're doing it at much, much less risk. And C, come on, guys, 5.5% in a month. You can't really ask for more. We could ask for more than that, but we probably shouldn't. In a passive, non-managed portfolio, 5.5% in a 1 month period of time, that's a pretty darn good rate of return. So there's our results for October, guys. We've just got 2 more months to go in the year. Be very, very interesting to see our year-end review here in a couple months and go through some of these statistics a little bit more in detail. Have a great rest of your evening here this Sunday evening, Halloween, and we will talk to you all later. One other quick thing that I will mention here. I will drop a link down below here for you guys if you would like to. I'll drop it in the description box as well if you would like to take a 2-week free trial and take a look at the asymmetric asset allocation model. I think that it might be something that is of interesting to you if A, you're not trading your money inside of an IRA, because we do short with this plan, so you do need the provision or ability to be able to go short, and B, we do get kicked out of, we manage our risk so tightly that we do get kicked out of trades almost daily. And because of that, you will almost inevitably trigger PDT rules. And so you need more than $25,000 of a minimum balance to be able to properly position size and get around that issue. But if you meet those 2 criteria, you might want to check it out. Anyway, as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you find any value in these videos, please, if you would, click the like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notifications. That'd be great so that you don't miss any of the posts. And most importantly, hey, leave a comment and I try to answer every single one of those. Appreciate all you guys. Take care and best of luck with your trading.